In the hustle and bustle of modern life, stress has become an almost constant companion for many. From deadlines at work to personal responsibilities, our nervous systems often bear the brunt of these pressures, leaving us feeling frazzled and depleted. However, amidst the chaos, there lies a powerful tool that can help restore balance and tranquility: food. Yes, you read that right. What we eat can significantly impact our nervous system, influencing our mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can provide the nutrients and compounds necessary to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. Let's explore some of these nourishing options. Fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are potent allies for your nervous system. Omega-3s play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body, including the brain, which can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Leafy greens, dark, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium, a mineral known for its calming effects on the nervous system. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters and has been linked to reduced anxiety levels. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of magnesium and other essential nutrients like zinc and vitamin E. These nutrients support brain health and may help ease stress and anxiety. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, which protect the brain from oxidative stress. Additionally, they contain vitamin C, which has been linked to lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Herbal teas, chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm teas have long been prized for their calming properties. These herbal infusions contain compounds that can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, helping to soothe an overactive nervous system. Whole grains, complex carbohydrates found in whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice can aid in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and promotes feelings of well-being. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can help stabilize mood and energy levels. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Emerging research suggests a strong connection between gut health and mental well-being, with probiotics potentially playing a role in reducing anxiety and improving mood. Dark chocolate, indulging in a square or two of dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can be more than just a treat, it can also be a mood booster. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which have been shown to enhance mood and reduce stress hormones. Herbal supplements, certain herbs and supplements, such as ashwagandha, holy basil, and magnesium glycinate, have adaptogenic properties, meaning they help the body adapt to stress and promote balance within the nervous system. Consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating these supplements into your routine. Green leafy vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and asparagus are rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a key role in neurotransmitter synthesis. Adequate folate intake has been associated with a reduced risk of mood disorders. Avocados, creamy and delicious, avocados are not only versatile but also packed with nutrients beneficial for calming the nervous system. They contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and can have a calming effect on the body. Additionally, avocados are rich in healthy fats, which support brain function and can help stabilize mood. Turmeric, this golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain and may help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient powerhouse, providing an array of vitamins and minerals essential for brain health. They are particularly rich in choline, a nutrient that supports neurotransmitter function and may help reduce anxiety. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, all of which play a role in supporting a healthy nervous system. Magnesium, in particular, helps regulate neurotransmitters and has a calming effect on the brain. Oatmeal. Starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal not only provides a comforting breakfast but also supplies your body with complex carbohydrates that can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote steady energy throughout the day. Oatmeal is also rich in fiber, which supports gut health, a crucial factor in overall well-being. Brazil nuts. Just a few Brazil nuts can provide your daily recommended intake of selenium, a mineral with antioxidant properties that may help reduce inflammation and support a healthy nervous system. Lentils. These legumes are an excellent source of folate, fiber, and protein, all of which contribute to a balanced diet and support mental health. Folate, in particular, plays a crucial role in neurotransmitter synthesis and has been linked to a reduced risk of depression. Kefir. This fermented dairy product is not only rich in probiotics, but also contains several B vitamins, including B12 and B6, which play a role in mood regulation and cognitive function. Incorporating kefir into your diet can help support a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn can positively influence mental health. Seaweed, such as nori, kelp, and wakame, is a nutrient-dense food that provides a wide range of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, iodine, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients support brain health and can help reduce inflammation in the nervous system. Water. Last but certainly not least, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Dehydration can exacerbate feelings of stress and anxiety, so be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body and mind functioning optimally. Incorporating these additional foods into your diet can further enhance your efforts to calm the nervous system and promote overall well-being. Remember to prioritize variety and balance in your meals, and listen to your body's signals to determine which foods work best for you. With mindful eating and a focus on nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients, you can cultivate a greater sense of calm and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Incorporating these foods into your diet can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support a calm and resilient nervous system. However, it's essential to remember that no single food holds the key to optimal mental health. A balanced diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods, combined with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques, forms the foundation for overall well-being. By nourishing your body and mind with the right foods, you can take proactive steps towards achieving a greater sense of calm and serenity in your daily life.